Hello and welcome to English Made Easy, the podcast where real conversations help you learn English naturally. I'm Penny.
And I'm Andrew. In each episode, we talk about everyday topics using clear, simple English so you can understand more and feel more confident when you speak.
Today, we're talking about places, cities, and the countryside. Which one do we prefer, and why?
It's an interesting topic because people have very different opinions. Some love the energy of the city, while others feel happiest in the quiet countryside. Let's see where we stand.
So, Andrew, imagine it's Friday afternoon and you have the whole weekend free. No work, no plans. Where would you go? The city or the countryside?
If I'm staying in my own country, I'd choose the countryside. I already live in a big city, so sometimes I really need a break from all the noise, traffic, and people. I need to escape the hustle and bustle.
I totally get that. Cities can be exciting but also overwhelming. There's always something happening, and it can feel like your brain never rests. In the countryside, everything slows down.
Exactly. In the countryside, I can breathe properly. There are trees, open fields, and fresh air. It feels peaceful, not chaotic.
When was the last time you went to the countryside?
A few months ago, I spent the weekend in a small village. It was absolutely picturesque. Tiny houses, narrow streets, flowers everywhere, and an amazing view of the hills. It almost looked like a postcard.
That's a great example of the word picturesque. So beautiful that it looks like a picture.
Yes, and people there seemed more relaxed. No one was rushing. It felt like time moved more slowly.
That's one of the things I love. People in the countryside take their time. They talk to each other. They look around. They aren't always rushing somewhere. In the city, everyone is in a hurry.
True, if you stop suddenly in the city, someone will bump into you. In a village, you can stop and enjoy the moment, and nobody minds.
So if you're traveling within your own country, you prefer the countryside. But what about when you go abroad?
That's where things change. When I travel to another country, I usually start in a city, often the capital. It's easier. There's public transport, plenty of places to stay, and lots of things to see in a short time.
Same here. If I don't speak the language, a city is easier to manage. There are signs, maps, apps, and people who can help you, and everything you need is close by.
Exactly. And if you only have a few days, a city gives you more options. Museums, restaurants, markets, attractions. You don't need a car.
The countryside abroad can be incredible, but it can also be difficult. Buses might not run often, and the best places are sometimes hidden and only known by locals.
Yes, and those places don't always appear online. Sometimes the most amazing restaurant is the one a local person tells you about.
So it sounds like you enjoy both the countryside at home and the city when you travel.
Yes, I don't think one is better than the other. They offer different experiences. The city is great when I want excitement and variety. The countryside is perfect when I want peace and nature.
Exactly. You don't have to choose one forever. You can enjoy both depending on your mood.
Right, let's look at some useful language from today's conversation.
First, countryside. The land outside towns and cities with fewer buildings and more nature. The adjective is rural.
Next, hustle and bustle, the noise, activity, and busyness you find in a city.
Then, we had picturesque, something so beautiful it looks like a picture, often used to describe a village or landscape.
We also used visit, to go somewhere for a short time. For example, We visited a village at the weekend.
And finally, escape the city, to leave the city to relax somewhere quiet.
Try using these phrases when you talk about places you've been or places you want to go. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel.
Now it's your turn. Do you prefer the city or the countryside? Tell us in the comments. It's a great way to practice your English.
If you enjoyed this conversation and want more episodes,
Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye.